So ba, init yung panahon ba, no? Grabe ka na summer ba, pero may bago kang nindot na tambal sa kainit ba. Nindot kayo mag-milk tea ba, and today nata dire sa Talisay City, kas nangabri na ang ilang kuri ni milk tea bar dire lang loyo sa City Hall sa Fidel Bus. Nadalan ba, o atong tilawan ng ilang mga laming milk tea na bugnaw. So let's go!
From the streets to the hidden corners, Kalani Sevens got them on hand. We discover local flavors and food is unite. Feast on the goodness from morning till night. Oh yeah, Kalani Sevens, oh so divine. A food bowl that'll make your taste buds shine. From home in the wall to the maker lines, come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalani Sevens, take your bite to life. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavor, save the foodie's delight. Follow the water gourmet treats. Kalani Sevens, oh what a delight. A vlog that brings our taste buds to life. From street food stalls to hidden gems, championing the people, the local food gems. With each bite we take, a story unfolds. The passion and love, the tales untold. We savor the flavors, we celebrate the culinary wonders that captivate. Kalani Sevens, oh so divine. A food bowl that'll make your taste buds shine. From hole in the wall to make the lights. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Oh, taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalani Sevens, take your bite.
Finally guys, nana mo mga pagkaon, so it's time to eat. Guys, data diri for milk tea, but the nice thing about diri is naslay mga hot food sama niyo pork buns. Oh, kada bang kuan mal nindot man gina combination sa dinang milk tea ug kana man siopaw style ba ng pork buns, humok, then tarisan mong tamis, sweet and savory. Nindot na combo bay, di ba? So nindot yung magtambay-tambay diri kay di lang milk tea ang imong ma-enjoy, but also hot food. Then they also have this gyoza bay, which is it's like dumplings, of course. Na nindot sa ipares. So, di ba parang Chinese food bagdating ba? Pero Japanese actually. And they have this pizza na nipis, nigpis kayo na easy kayo papakon ba? Marabag di ka kabantay, mahurot na din mo ang whole pizza ba? O kagumkum and enjoyable to eat. So finally guys, ready na akong take off para of course, lamig yung bugnaw yung nagkaroon summer na init kaayo. So, bitaw ba, enjoy yun ko sa diri sa Kurimi Milk Tea Bar because not only lami lang drinks, napili sila mga pagkaon sama sa pork buns, gyoza, and pizza, and gunahan ko bugnaw ba, nasa sila gelato, di ba yun? Gelato, diesel gelato. Oh, na! So, manang kung namo sa Talisay, dito kung kumain ng milk tea bar na tambayan, bugnaw, plus lami ang drinks, kato na yung pagkaon. O, Anias Princess, para matundok ninyo, asa mo adto.
Hi guys! Ari na mo sa Kurimi Milk Tea Bar, Talisay. Loyo lang sa City Hall sa Fidel Bus Street, diri sa Mohon. Open me from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily.